Castor oil has been used for centuries to treat a variety of health problems and remains popular today. Extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, this versatile oil has a wide range of uses, both medicinal and cosmetic. In this video, we'll explore its many benefits and answer some of the most common questions people have about castor oil. Let's start with a popular question: can you drink castor oil? Yes, castor oil can be taken orally. It's often used as a powerful laxative to relieve constipation and improve digestive function. When consumed, it stimulates bowel movements, making it an effective natural remedy for those experiencing occasional digestive issues. However, it's important to be cautious. Drinking castor oil in moderation is key. It's often mixed with juice or water to make it more palatable, but it's not recommended for everyone. If you're pregnant, avoid consuming castor oil as it can lead to nausea, vomiting, or even induce labor. Similarly, people with seizure disorders like epilepsy should avoid using it internally. As always, consulting with a healthcare professional is advised before using castor oil as a supplement. Another common question: can you put castor oil on your face? Yes, you can. Castor oil is a natural remedy that's often used to treat acne. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and swelling caused by impurities in the skin. Unlike many over-the-counter acne treatments that contain harsh chemicals like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid, castor oil offers a gentler, natural alternative. It can also be used to treat other skin conditions, like eczema and psoriasis. When applying castor oil to your face, it's best to dilute it with a carrier oil, such as jojoba or coconut oil, to avoid irritation. Always remember to test a small area of skin first to ensure there's no allergic reaction before using it all over your face. Now, let's talk about hair growth. Does castor oil help your hair grow? Yes, castor oil is often used as a natural remedy for hair loss. It helps stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which can encourage hair growth. Regular application of castor oil can make your hair appear thicker and fuller, while also conditioning and moisturizing the hair. As with any topical product, it's wise to test a small area of skin first to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions before applying it to your entire scalp. What happens if you use castor oil every day? While castor oil has many benefits, using it daily can lead to some side effects. When taken internally, overuse of castor oil can cause diarrhea, stomach cramps, and an increase in bowel movements. Excessive use can also lead to dehydration and an electrolyte imbalance, so it's important to use it sparingly. As with any powerful natural remedy, moderation is key, and if you have concerns, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. Castor oil for massage. Moving on, did you know castor oil can also be used for massage? Yes. Castor oil can enhance your massage experience. It has a warming effect when applied to the skin, which helps improve circulation. Castor oil is also effective in relieving muscle pain and tension, making it an excellent choice for those looking for natural relief. Can castor oil be used on eyebrows? Absolutely. Applying castor oil to your eyebrows can help stimulate hair growth, making them appear thicker and fuller over time. This is a popular natural remedy for people looking to enhance the appearance of their brows without using chemical products. Anti-aging and skin benefits of castor oil. There are many other benefits of castor oil that you should know about. For example, it's a fantastic treatment for fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. When applied to the skin, castor oil penetrates deep and encourages the production of elastin and collagen. These components are crucial for maintaining the skin's elasticity and firmness. Its emollient properties also help keep your skin hydrated and plump, which is key to reducing the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. Castor oil for arthritis. Castor oil is also a natural remedy for arthritis. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate pain and swelling in arthritic joints, sore muscles, and nerve inflammation. When used in massages, it can provide relief and promote relaxation. Struggling with stretch marks? Castor oil can help here, too. Whether caused by pregnancy, weight gain, or sudden weight loss, stretch marks can be diminished with regular application of castor oil. The oil's rich, creamy texture and natural moisturizing properties make it an excellent solution for keeping your skin supple and reducing the appearance of stretch marks over time. Castor oil for feet and cracked heels. Castor oil is also great for your feet, especially if you suffer from cracked heels. Applying castor oil to your feet before bed and wearing socks overnight can lead to softer, smoother skin by morning. The oil's vitamins and nutrients deeply hydrate the skin, transforming rough heels into soft, supple feet. Castor oil for insomnia. Are you struggling with insomnia? Castor oil can help with that, too. Instead of relying on sleep aids, try applying castor oil to your eyelids before bed. Your body will absorb the oil, promoting relaxation and helping you drift off to sleep more easily. Castor oil for reducing scars. Castor oil can even help reduce the appearance of scars. The fatty acids in castor oil stimulate the lymphatic system, which plays a key role in healing and protecting the skin. While it won't completely remove scars, regular application can lessen their darkness and improve overall skin tone. Castor oil for sunburn relief. Got sunburn? Castor oil can provide relief. Its cooling sensation is similar to that of aloe vera, and its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and protect sunburned skin from infection. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil also helps soothe blisters and prevent further damage. Castor oil for lymphatic health. The benefits don't stop there. Castor oil can also support your lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is responsible for eliminating waste from your body, and applying castor oil packs to your lymph nodes can help improve drainage and detoxification. Castor oil for skin inflammation. Castor oil is also a great natural remedy for reducing skin inflammation caused by bug bites, rashes, or itches. Its potent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a soothing option for irritated skin. Whether you're dealing with a small, localized reaction or a larger area of inflammation, castor oil can provide relief. Castor oil for migraines. Lastly, castor oil can even help relieve migraines. If you suffer from headaches or migraines, try massaging a teaspoon of castor oil into your forehead for about a minute. You might notice relief in just a few minutes, making castor oil a natural alternative to pain medication. Have you used castor oil? Let us know your experience in the comments. And if there are any other uses we may have missed. One thing's for sure, castor oil is a brilliant natural remedy with numerous benefits.